lovely ladies, Valentine month is knocking at our door and I'm here to share with you a very easy to create but looking so much glamorous makeup tutorial. If you're new here, then this is Bhavna and you are watching Bhavna's Beauty World. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I post a new video in every week. So without further ado, let's start the video. For the foundation, I'm using my Kiss Beauty Stick foundation with a flat top kabuki brush. For the concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain with this concealer brush. To set my whole face, I'm using Ben Nye Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. For the eyeshadow, I'm taking this light brown shade with a big fluffy brush and just blending it in the outer corner as a transition shade. Now I'm taking this darker brown shade, which is one shade darker than the previous shade, and blending slowly just below the previous shade to darken the outer corner. Now I'm taking this pinkish white shimmery shade with my finger and just blending it on the inner third part of my eyelids. Now I'm taking this reddish brown shade, which is one more shade darker than the previous color, and smudging it in my lower lash line on the outer third corner. Now I'm taking this golden highlighter with a pencil brush to highlight my inner corners. Taking the same highlighter with a flat brush, I'm highlighting my brow bones. For the eyeliner, I'm using Lakme 95 Water Resistant Eyeliner. For the mascara, I'm using Lakme 95 Waterproof Mascara. And for my lower lash line, I'm tattoo-lining with Katy Beauty White Eye Pencil. Here is the complete eye makeup. To warm up my face, I'm using this reddish brown bronzer with my bronzer brush. To give a natural touch of color to my cheeks, I'm using this bubblegummy pink blush. And for the highlighter, I'm using this golden highlighter with a big fluffy brush to get a natural glow all over my face. For my lips, I'm using this pinkish orange liquid lipstick. And here is the complete look, which is so glamorous, very easy to create. You can wear this on your Valentine Day, Valentine night, your dates, your special occasions, and whenever you want. I hope this video will be helpful for you, so please give a thumbs up if you like this, and you can comment down your feelings after watching this video in the comment section. You can also check out my other videos that is linked in the description box. Don't forget to check that. We'll meet in the next week, inshallah. Till then, tata.